nimejaribu kulialia nikusahau wewe, nimejaribu kujikusanya ukaniacha mina aibu, wengine wanicheke juu uko na mwingine. Nimejaribu kujikusanya nikusahau wewe, nikusahau wewe, nikusahau wewe, nikusahau wewe, pengine ni. What's up, my name is Robin. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Nimejaribu, Elani. It's an easy song, only 4 chords. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial, let me know in the comment area. Plus, if you learn something from this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these tutorials. Plus, I would really appreciate if you did so. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. Well, this song is in the key of C sharp, but in this tutorial I'll show you how to play the song in the key of C. But if you want to play it as the original song, you can just transpose your keyboard to C sharp by transpose one step up. So the progression is 4 1 6 5, and this is the progression from start to end of the song. So the song is just as easy as that. So the first chord is F chord. This is an inversion of the F chord. So this is a second inversion of the F chord. So normally you will play your F here. So F, then second inversion, first inversion, F chord. So second inversion. So on my left hand I am playing note C with my small finger, note F with my pointer finger, and note A with my thumb. On my right hand, thumb plays note C, my pointer plays note E. Sorry, my thumb plays note C, F with my middle finger, and note A with my small finger. So F, 1. So 1 is the C chord. So this is just the normal C chord. On my left hand, I am using my small finger to play note C, note E with my middle finger, and note G with my thumb. Right hand, note C with my thumb, note E with my middle finger, and note G with my small finger. The chord that follows is A minor chord. So this is an inversion of A minor. So normally you will play your A minor here. So this is A minor, second inversion, first inversion. So this is the first inversion of the A minor. Well, my left hand, note A with my small finger, note E with my middle finger, and note A with my thumb. So on my right hand, normal A, second inversion, first inversion. So my thumb plays note C, my pointer plays note E, and note A with my small finger. And then finally we have G chord. So this G chord is also an inversion of G. So normally you will play your G here, G, then first inversion. So for that inversion, my right hand plays note B with my small finger, note D, note D with my middle finger, and note G with my thumb. right hand, note B with my thumb, D with my pointer finger, and note G with my small finger. So those are the chords that comprise, you know, the progression of this song. So on rhythm, you can just count as kujikusanya, ukaniacha mina aibu, wengine wanicheke juu uko na mwingine, nimejaribu. So you just count as 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So guys, this is how you'd play the song, and that's all for this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also if you have a song that